to create account on Shopify, search here Shopify on Google, then go here, then click on try for free. Okay, now sign up with email or Google. So I will select sign up. Here now it will ask, you can select, or if you want to skip it. I will select let's get started an online store. Now click on next. If you are already selling, click on already selling. I'm just starting, click on. Now here we will to import product customer the product I buy, ship by myself, digital product services. I will select product, or you can select decide later. Now here you can see basic, Shopify, advanced. Okay, so it will charge 20 rupees for first month, then it will charge 2000 per month. Okay, I will select try basic. I need to fill some detail. You will get 2 days to select your plant. Here you will say 3 days left in your trial. Your trial end on November. Then you can select plant. You can do as per your requirement. I haven't selected plan. Okay, now this is my basics how we can create Shopify account and start a Shopify store. Currently you can see there is nothing in my store. Very simple. Now first thing, if you want to add new theme, you can add theme from here. Go on theme, click on add new. If you want to use by default theme, here now from here you can add products. From here you can customize and add your section in any type of pages here. Okay, so we have created account in Shopify. Now I will tell how to set up it and do it in another video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.